Hello, my name is George Liu. I'm going to be presenting my robotics project for the spring of 2024. So my idea was originally inspired by my teacher. Yeah. Okay, wait. Hello, my name is George Liu. I'm going to be presenting my robotics project for the spring of 2024. So my idea was originally inspired by my teacher. We continued this project as we saw opportunities for software development practices. Um, So, what did I learn and use for my project? So, during class, I learned about Agile, software development, and HTTP services, which I used in my project. So, first, Agile was used to help manage our time and resources by delivering our small improvement. Wait, by delivering our improvements in small increments. So, two HTTP requests improvements increase the reliability of the AI we are accessing. So we basically move the server that the AI is on off of Replit onto a web-hosted service to improve reliability. We improve the readability and structure of our code so that it is easier to work with. So this is a code example. So the first code here is um, an example of our agile code. So basically, this log is detailing sub goals for our project improvement in small increments. For example, these sprints. Um, Code 2 is basically this was actually uh, part of the game, and this while loop basically ensures that the HTTP request successfully loads a value. So this is UI improvements. So basically over class, we work to basically roundify these buttons instead of it just being blocky. And the demo, so I'll be demonstrating the game right now. So this is a game. Um, so basically how you play is at the start, click get housing information. So then I'll give you a bunch of information that you try to guess on. Wait, okay, and then it'll give you like a bunch of information. So then you basically on the right hand side, you guess the price of the house based on the information given to you. And then so obviously the players won't actually see this, but I'll just use a console so I can demonstrate this game. So it'll say the actual price is 1,800,000. So you just need to get within 125,000 of the actual price for it to get it right because we can't use specific prices. So if I enter it, it'll say your guess is correct, request new information. I get new housing information. And I basically repeat the process till I get 3 points. And I basically win. So for example, if I make a random guess with this new curve information, it'll either say too high or too low, and right now it says too low. So if I make it like other way like that, it'll say too high, so I know it's between one of those numbers. So then um, the user will get a few tries to guess the value. And then yeah, if they run out of tries, then uh, it'll make them request me housing information. And then yeah, so that's basically the game, and I'll be explaining some things in this starter script, specifically this part. So this part basically we test if this you could actually use Google.com, for example, and if we could, it will just say true. It'll just print true if the test is if we could search on Google.com. So back to the demo. So my favorite part about working on this project was to be able to design the buttons and map and also to test the game. It's fun to be able to create the design and know your design your own buttons and map. It was also fun to fix the HTTP so that the AI works how we want it to. The testing part is also fun as well, as we would be able to see if how the game progress each time we fix our mistake and run it again. Um, this is basically an example of as you saw in our game. This is basically an example of how the requests are made. So if there's like zero requests, I'll just say zero. So that's basically like the counter, the actual price, and then the game also keeps track of what guests you put. So if I were to continue on this project, um, I would basically add some UX improvements, such as the option to manually enter guesses, add more user options, such as what is displayed and how many guesses we get, and then another improvement that is almost complete is the UN pop-up after you get 3 points, as earlier mentioned. And thank you.